Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Philips mixer grinder, Viva collection. Model number is HL7760. So let's get started. This is a mixer grinder from the brand Philips. Philips being a very popular brand when it comes to kitchen appliances, you know the quality is assured of. Now when you look at the mixer grinder, I like the size, I like the compact shape. It's one shape and it's quite compact in design. That means if you have a small kitchen, if you don't have much space on your kitchen slab and still you need a mixer grinder which is powerful and in which you can do multiple things and you want to keep it on your kitchen slab all the time, then I think this is a good choice. Now when it comes to the knob, there is just one single knob, so it's pretty easy to use. This knob has three settings, 1, 2 and 3. And whenever you're doing some hard spices and all, it's always advisable to use the pulse thing or the inching thing. So it's at the back of it, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise and then it is the pulse mode or the inching mode. You also get an overload protector here, this red button. So sometimes unknowingly, if you overfill the jars, the motor will not run. Now there is a 5-year warranty on the motor. That means you know that if you're buying this machine, you can use it for a long period of time. It has 3 stainless steel jars. We all know in Indian kitchen, when it comes to hygiene, when it comes to durability, stainless steel is the best choice. It comes in 3 different capacity. This is 0.3 liters, this is 0.75 liters and this is 1.25 liters. This of course is used for making ginger garlic paste, or if you want to make baby food, if you want to do apple puree, if you want to make chutneys like dhania chutney, coriander chutney, you can easily do that. Now good capacity, easy to clean, and the jar also fits very smoothly, and in fact at the handle also you can see it's slightly angular, which makes it for a better grip. So sturdy grip is what you get. Now this is a 0.75 liter jar, again stainless steel, that means it's easy to clean. And in fact one more benefit that you get with stainless steel is when you do different spices, the smell does not get retained in the jar. So if you're doing one thing and then you do the other thing, the smell is not retained in stainless steel jar. Again very easy to clean, and by mistake if they slip out of your hand while cooking and all, nothing will happen to your jars. This is 0.75 liter. This is apt for grinding spices like dhania powder, zira powder, or if you want to make tomato puree. Now this one is 1.25 liter and it is a blender jar. So if you want to make cold coffee, mango shake, banana shake, everything can be done. If you want to prepare idli dosa batter, that also you can do that. Then you also get this instruction manual which talks about the specification in detail. Like I already told you about the motor, it is 750 watts. And plus if you want to know the rotations per minute, then with load, the maximum speed 3, it makes around 11,500 rotations per minute. So you get good grinding, you get good results, and you can use it on a daily basis for your everyday cooking, for your everyday use. It is from the brand Philips. The colors are nice. It will match any of your kitchen decor. This was it about Philips mixer grinder, 750 watt. It comes with a 5-year warranty on the motor. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.